What? What the? Oh, right. I'm saving all the chatting till the end, but this is like kind of halfway through. I think I'm pretty much done with this area. I know, it looks hell. I assure you, I have a plan here. So I'm just gonna do around there and here, and then I'm gonna vacuum it, and then that's gonna be part one. I'm just gonna tape off the front part, and I'm gonna paint the rest with rust reformer. And yeah, I think I'm gonna be okay there. I'm not too worried about getting paint on the insulation, but I don't want to get paint on anything else, so I'm gonna have to tape off all this before I paint it. So that's not gonna happen today, but I'm gonna vacuum all that out. Of course I have to pick the, it's only 87 degrees, not bad. It's getting hard to see. Really scraping the bottom of the barrel on batteries. Oh my god. What a mess. That's nice. Daylight. Alright, let's finish this up before the rain starts. Taking a break. This was the worst day to decide to do this. Last week we announced the new merch store. I just want to give a huge heartfelt thank you to everybody who ordered merch. It's just simply amazing. I super appreciate it. If you haven't yet and you still want to, there's a 15% discount that's going on right now. I got another week. All right, so I'm going to finish up this video by vacuuming out everything that I've done here today. Yeah, I guess the next part of this is going to be masking it off and putting down like a layer of paint of some sort. I'm not sure if I'm going to do rust reformer. I have to order some more, or if I'm going to do more POR 15. POR 15 is it? POR or some number. That stuff I brushed on the firewall. Both are anti-rust inhibitors. Yeah, so I'll vacuum and then we'll catch up. All of my batteries, they're all charging right now. And the gearbox on this thing, wow, that's hot. I don't know if I have my laser, but put this thing through its paces today. I think I need a new wire wheel already. Holy hell. Alright, looking a little bit better here. There's still some stuff stuck, but we'll get that all off right before we paint. Alright, let's wrap this one up. Looking better, I think, in my personal opinion. You might still think it looks like trash, but it's okay for us to disagree. As much as that sucked, that might be the last time we have any kind of large-scale wire wheeling to do on the Mustang. So I'm glad it's done. I am gonna come back for the sides and the top at a different moment, but for now, yeah, I think the floor pan is in good shape. If you didn't fully understand what I was doing there, basically I'm just wire wheeling away the upper layer of, I guess it's, I don't know, whatever, but you can expose like some rust underneath it, and then once it's exposed, then I can hit it with the rust reformer or POR 15, whichever I decide to do, and then it encapsulates it, ideally. Whether that happens or not, we'll see. This was a lot of work, and it was almost 90 degrees in the blazing sun. What was I thinking? At any rate, check out the merch store, 15% off for another week. Cool, so if you sat through this entire video, I can't believe it. You're amazing. Drop me a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Alright, so something must have hit my leg or something. Times like this, you need a good quality first aid kit. All done. That'll be a $25 copay. Literal blood, sweat, and tears.